Hi everyone, I'm going to show you some products I got recently at Smart and Final and I just love them. First off, it's an off-brand called Zout and it worked really great. I had a stain on this blouse. It was already set in. It was like butter and I already had washed it so it set in. So I put this product on it, washed it like normal. And guess what? It disappeared. Like it never happened. It was fantastic. And also, kitchen sink was really ugly and there were stains, tea stains, everything that I couldn't get it off. So I found this good old Clorox and it works really well. I sprayed it on the sink and let it sit overnight and the next morning the stains were gone. So it's Clorox cleanup and bleach, and I found it at Smart and Final. It's a big bottle, but believe me, you're going to use it for your bathtub, for your sinks, for anything that you need really clean, and it will get it nice and bright and white, like your coffee cups or teacups that have stains and you've tried everything to get that off. Spray a little bit of this, dilute it with water, let it set for a couple hours or overnight, and guess what? It's gone. So let me tell you, it works really great. So I hope to give you more product reviews of what helps in the house and daily, and whether it's worth your money or not, or you should try some home remedies, and that's what I'm going to give you. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Comment what your favorite home remedy is for cleaning, and let me know if you have a off-the-shelf product that you use, and hit that notification bell so you can see the next time I give you a product review. And again, thanks for watching and have a great new year, and see you in 2021. Thank you for watching. See you later, guys. Bye.